Hey guys, in this video we get rid of the over-the-engine intercooler piping and put some Plazmaman Coldside piping on. So we're back again with RIPIN. We discussed a few videos back about how I wanted to try and get as much of the heat soak out of the engine bay as possible, and the way we wanted to do that was upgrade this piping and get rid of this stuff that's going over the top of the turbo. So I ended up getting the Plazmaman Coldside kit. It was only an extra 40 bucks more to get the big piping, so I just went for it. I don't really need it. So this doesn't go over the top of the engine, it swings around from the throttle body down to the front. And some of you guys know I'm not running the boost solenoid, so I got it tigged up where it goes in. So that'll be all sealed up and sweet. And we've also got a blow valve. I haven't had one this whole time, so I thought, why not, we'll run one. So it's just a vent to atmosphere one, not a plumb back. And we got some Raceworks piping and vacuum lines and stuff like that to get it sorted. And I've also got some extra Raceworks clamps in there I'm going to use. So I'm hoping that all fits up, because I don't actually have a Plazmaman intercooler. But we might have to get creative to make it fit. But let's get into it. Alright, all the old piping's off. It's time to start getting the Plazmaman goodness on there. Alright, so the piping's all on. It's looking pretty good. Headlights in. And we just used the 2.5 inch rubber to size that up. It's worked out good. Brakes works clamped just to make sure. Now it's time to move on to the blow-off valve. This big fella here. So we'll shove that on, tee it in up there. Should be laughing. Alright, so the blow-off valve's fitted. Down in there, run a vacuum up to behind there. She's ready to roll. So the bumper's back on and it's all done. Piping's on, blow-off valve's on, and yeah, it looks a heap better. The only thing to do now is take it for a drive. So we're giving a bit of a test drive. We'll see if that blow-off valve makes any noise. Yeah, there it is. There it is. So there it is, the Plazmaman Coldside piping put on. Blow-off valves on. Yeah, that's one of the next bits I wanted to do for getting rid of the heat soak, hoop improve performance with this setup. Also it makes the engine bay just look a shit ton better. And yeah, pretty happy with the results for that. Yeah, look at it. Anyway, there's more to come, guys. Until the next one, see you later.